Guys, Bitcoin is falling. Coins are bleeding and panic is spreading through the crypto markets right now. Here's what you need to know. Guys, I believe there's a hidden secret in the 2017 Bitcoin chart that can give us some hope as Bitcoin and crypto holders. Go back to June of 2017, and what you're going to find is that Bitcoin crashed from a new high of over $3,000 down to around $1,800, and many were thinking that it was going to retest the previous high at around $1,100. Later that year, in September, coin would go on to crash from around $5,000 back down to the highs of the previous range in June at around $3,000. Guys, in one sense, this is normal. The market always or often wants to retest the highs of the previous range. That does not signal the end of the world. That does not mean that it's time to panic. It doesn't mean that it's time to sell all of your bags. It doesn't mean that it's time to give up hope on the crypto asset industry. It doesn't mean that it's time to give up hope on Bitcoin. The market often wants to retest the highs of the previous range, and that is an opportunity every time. It's an opportunity for anyone with cash set aside to accumulate. So what's next? Well, there's a CME gap that we just created this weekend sitting above us at $82,000. And more often than not, what are we going to do? We're going to go up and fill that gap sitting at around $82,000. And that's the time to look at the charts and to make your assessment of where the market's going to go after that range. So guys, now is not the time to think with fear or to think with panic. Now is the time to write down your plan, to double down, to look at the chart, to ask yourself if you're overexposed to the market, and to get a profit-taking strategy. Journal it, write it down. We're going to see another leg up in the market. And if you're freaking out right now, if you're afraid, if you're panicked, it's a sign that you're overexposed. And it's a sign that you need to write down a profit-taking strategy for the rest of 2025. See you next time.